Hi, my name is Bill. Another problem that I found on the 94-95 Buick, Oldsmobile Cutlass, Chevy Lumina, and I think the Pontiac Cutlass is this loose connection at this battery connection. It's not really a battery connection, it's where you're supposed to jump the car. So that nut or bolt, I put one of the wavy washers under it. What it does is it gets corroded, and then you get a loose connection. And it caused, on my car, it caused the ABS light to come on. It caused about 3 or 4 other symptoms. The turn signals would run slow whenever you'd turn left or right. So just basically a low voltage condition, and the connection in there was actually it had been arcing because it was like a buildup, looked like somebody had been welding in there. So just thought I'd let people know about that too.